To create if-else statement in Python is simple, but we need to watch out the indentation. So let's say we have a variable here with value of 15, and then we want to create a Python program to define the age is kid, teen, or adult. So what we can do here, if we can put the if here, and then we write the age is less than 16, and then we want to print out the kid. So that means if age below 16, we can call it kid. And then we can put else if the age is above than 15 or 16 or above, and then we can print out it's either an adult or a teen. Okay, so this one, if we run, it will show up the kid because the age is below 16. So what we need to see here is we need to make sure that the print here must be indented with at least a single space. We cannot put in line with the if here. Okay, so if we put inline, so it will prompt error, indentation error, and then we can put at least a space bar, or a better way like I like here, and then I can put a single tab. Okay, then how to check if the age is between 16 to 21, and then it's a teen age. So we can put here elif, okay, elif, elif, and then I put age is more than 15, and you can put here n. In other codes, in other programming language, we use a double n here, but in Python we use the word n to combine a statement. So age is more than 15 and age must be less than 21. So we will print out here teen. So that means for those who age more than 15 and low than 21, it's teen. Else, that means above all this statement, then we call them as adult. Okay, so if we run here, and then the result will show kid because the age is 15. If I put 18 here, and then we run again, and then we can see it's teen. And then if we put here 22 or 23, and then we run here, it will show up the adult result. So this is how we write if else and else if in Python.